ناول کے 10 منتخب اقتباسات
1. Until death it is all life. 2. Hunger is the best sauce in the world. 3. Wit and humor do not reside in slow minds. 4. To dream the impossible dream, that is my quest. 5. One man is no more than another, unless he does more than another. 6. There is no book so bad, that it does not have something good in it. 7. It seems to me a hard case to make slaves of those whom God and nature have made free. 8. If you don't know how to enjoy good luck when it comes, you shouldn't complain if it passes you by. 9. The fault lies not with the mob, who demands nonsense, but with those who do not know how to produce anything else. 10. The truth may be stretched thin, but it never breaks, and it always surfaces above lies, as oil floats on water.
اس عنایت پر ہم آپ کے بے حد ممنون ہوں گے۔